Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment. Let's get right to the video. Okay, so today, my cat is like somewhere in my room. So today we are making my cat something to wear because it's really kind of cold. Out of a glove. And yeah, let's find out where she is. Okay, come here, kitty. Here, kitty. She usually hides under my bed. Is she in here? I swear. Alright, guys, I found her. Let me get her. Hold on. Where'd she go? Where did you go? Oh, there she is. I don't know if y'all guys can see her. Oh, no, y'all can't. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh, dang it. Man, I can't get her. I got you. Oh, no. Gotcha. Tricked ya. And guys, this is my new cat. And her name is Katerina Sophia Carl. Say hi. Say hi. Hey. Alright, so we are gonna make this beautiful cat something to wear. Let's get to it. Alright, so let's see. I got scissors, and I got y'all, and I got my cat. Let's start. So we're just taking a simple glove, and since cats only have four, sorry about that, let's put it to the side. Okay. Since cats only have 4 legs, I'm gonna cut this one off. Oh, she went right into the bed again. Cats are so weird. Oh yeah, and also I'm gonna cut these tips off a little bit, so yeah. Okay, I'm done with one. See? Okay. And then, let me cut off the others. Okay. And then, see? So it looks like this. And then, so I'm going to have to cut off like a little bit of this because it's actually like really tight. Gotcha! See? Here she is. Alright, let's see. Okay, that's a good place to put her. There you go. Okay, so there's like these little things. See, like these things? Let me see if I can cut one. Oh yeah, it actually makes the glove like a lot looser. So I'm just gonna cut some of these. But I don't want to cut too many because maybe just like one more. It'll be fine. Yeah, I think it should be fine now. So now, what we have to do is just tie a knot with this one. Okay, and then it just looks like this basically. I'm gonna see. Oh, okay, so look, see, it's gonna be like this. 1, 2, and then the front, and then the back. Hold on, let me get her again. 1 second. Yeah, come on out. And here she is. Say hi to all the fans. Hello, fans. Hello. Wait. Okay, so that's where cats are so curious. Okay, so we're gonna stretch it out like this. Well, not really stretch it, call it straight. Anyways. Okay, so now what we have to do is just get the cat. And this is the hard part, so let's do it now. Okay, so I'm just gonna set y'all guys up here so you can watch me try to get my gotcha. I got her. And that's how you make something for your cat. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.